Yo, what up, guys? Jay Martin here. Just decided to get on here and talk. I hope you guys are enjoying your day so far. I'm still not quite sure what the title of this video is going to be, but stick to the end. I do want to talk to you of an analogy, and it's just this mental crutch that I use. But first of all, if you have a specific goal that you're chasing, feel free to share it. Let's send some positive vibes your way, and I hope you get the strength and the mental fortitude to achieve it. So the seed theory or the tree theory, you ready for it? And don't ask me why these analogies are gardening related. So basically, you are a seed and your end goal is a fruit, whatever the type of tree it is, but your end goal is going to be the fruit. But you have to understand that there's a cycle in growing. There's a process. And getting from seed level to fruit level, that it takes time and it takes effort to get there. Watering, sunlight, all that, okay? But you can't expect to get the fruit, aka the rewards, if you haven't even planted yourself. And when you plant a seed, you put it in the dirt, in the down dirt, and no one sees it. No one sees you at first. So if you're out here trying to be seen, trying to be acknowledged, and you wonder where your fruit is at, you gotta bury yourself first. You gotta bury yourself first. If you want the fruit, first you gotta be a seed, but you gotta bury yourself in the dirt and allow yourself time to grow to get into it. You have that vision in your head that you're going to get the fruit, but don't even think about the fruit. Because if you're just focused on some end goal, then you might get there, but it'll be hard to progress past that because you're so focused on that one destination that it's like, you might forget everything in between. And maybe you could have done more in between. So whichever stage you're in, just be here right now. Just live right now and do the best that you can right now. So take a second to think about your goal that you have right now. And just imagine if you had it and you didn't have to work at all for it. Like it's just a free handout to you. And I know you're watching this right now and you might be suffering a little bit. But that's what makes you a better person. And you grow from that. So if you had everything, all the fruit, but you don't even think about the seed stage, the developing stage, where's the character building in that? Where's the growing? How do you develop as a person? You can't. Everybody wants everything now. You become a seed today and you want the fruits tomorrow, but you gotta get in the dirt. Some people aren't willing to get in the dirt. Here's the thing. Plant yourself in the dirt, water, sunlight, fertilizer, whatever it takes to grow yourself. You gotta nurture that thing every day. Every single day you gotta fall in love with growing. If you're still listening to this so far, I'm sure you're going to reach your goal. Trust me, you are. And it's okay. Stop stressing. It's okay. I used to not sleep because I had so many thoughts. I just couldn't go to bed at night. Everything will be okay. And nobody has everything in life. Some people just know how to act like they do better than others. So it's easy to fake it. Everyone is still in the dirt in some areas. So one more message before I let you go, and leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Trust me, you won't regret it. But here's a little inspiration from Les Brown, and it's about the Chinese bamboo tree, right? You know bamboos? Pandas eat it. The Chinese bamboo tree takes 5 years to grow. They have to water and fertilize the ground every day, but the bamboo tree doesn't break through the ground until the 5th year. But once it breaks through the ground, within 5 weeks, it grows to about 90 feet tall. So the question is, does it grow 90 feet tall in 5 weeks, or does it grow 90 feet tall in 5 years? The answer is, it grows 90 feet tall in 5 years. Can you imagine planting the seed of a bamboo tree outside, having to water it and take care of it for the next 5 years before it breaks through? People will just look at you like, hey, what are you doing watering the ground every single day? But yeah, that's all. I don't know. That's all I got to share for you today. 2 simple analogies or concepts, whatever you call it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a beautiful day. Peace and love.